Hi everyone, I'm Jessie. Welcome back to the KBCC Garage. I'm here with
Gabriela.
and of course, Mark Atwood.
Hey folks, how you doing?
We're here at the newest project for the KBCC Garage, a 1977 Pontiac Ventura.
Jess, this car belonged to my husband's grandmother, and we inherited it.
And the reason we brought it here to the garage, we're going to be fixing it up and returning it back to her husband.
When he's going to be so excited.
Oh, we definitely hope so. Heard he's into drag racing, so we're going to be fixing this up a street and drag car for him.
Not to steal Robert's line, that's definitely no doubt about it.
Well, I know it's going to be in good hands. I'm so glad that you guys decided to take on this project for him.
It is definitely our pleasure.
That's right,
And
Mark.
hopefully,
This
in
is
his
for
new
sure.
life, he's going to enjoy it even more.
He's going to love it.
Thanks for tuning in to the KBCC Garage. Let's get to this project.